Then let's move to the part of my methodology. My research is designed to build a model to explore the feedback of international students for culturally responsive curriculum and pedagogy also service. So I choose a qualitative design of research. According to Creswell, our textbook author, characteristics of our qualitative research research problems are: the first, the concept is immature due to a conspicuous lack of theory and previous research. Second, a notion that the available theory may be inaccurate, inappropriate, incorrect, or biased. Third, a need exists to explore and describe the phenomenon and to develop theory. And because there's a lot of personal experience data I need to collect it in this qualitative research, I adopted interview, especially face-to-face interview, to conduct the research. Sometimes in-depth interview highlights ethnic matters as well as shape new theoretical understanding of people's experiences. In the research, I'll look more upon the cross-cultural experience of the participants. And my role in the in this research is that because in my early years of learning, I was introduced to critical literacy, that I know that no culture and knowledge in the world is perfect, and we should question every culture and knowledge. So I first began to pursue the powers and the true reason behind those cultures. So meanwhile, I'm also an international student in UPI myself, so I will input my personal experience in the data collection and analysis procedure. However, I will try my best to keep a neutral view and avoid my personal influence on participants. And my participants will target on UPI's international students, and those students will have some basic experience in Canadians' higher education, but maybe also came across a lot of difficulties in their foreign life. And in my data collection method and procedure, I will combine questionnaire and interview to collect data. First, questionnaire could save me a lot of time to have a because I have a relatively large quantity of participants, and through this I will use SurveyMonkey to send online questionnaire to the target participants, and I'll try to do some demography research first to select some typical cases, like 10 to 5 typical cases, to have a face-to-face interview with those international students. And in order to get a deep understanding of those international students' culture and academic involvement and their feedback towards the school curriculum, I will generally using open-ended questions. And all those data collected online, I will directly stored into a pre-designed model in database, and those interviews things I will type it into computer and made a transcription, and I will try to the data will be analyzed and identify the code and the theme of the participant's experience, and the researchers with my own experience and fully transcribed into a final report. And my standpoint should be neutral and balanced, because I should not intervene international students' view up towards their attitude towards those questions. And my validity
created using Powtoon.